you guys, allotting the data to that address of the slot, it is not our task. It is running behind the scene within the system, within the computer. There is no chance that we know this address, but there is a way. There is a way through coding, the programming, especially in C. We can know the address of the variable. We can know the address of the variable, that is through ampersand. For example, I just give you an example. Wait. Imagine we have int age, that is 25. This is variable, this is value. You must know this, right? This is variable, this is value. So now what's happening inside the computer? For example, 25 is the value. Value is what we are storing inside the slot, memory slot. The address is what? 1000. This is allotted by what? Malloc. So here I just write age. So age value is being stored in this memory location. Okay, this is the this is what malloc is doing. It is allotting as a place to store the variables data. So what's next? Does this solve any problem? Yes, it does. It is giving us dynamicity, one thing. Second thing, it is doing its job. It is allotting, knowing the space for the variable to store. But the problem is we don't know this. To know this, we want ampersand age. I'll write it properly. So ampersand age. So what does this do? This will hold the address of the age. This will hold the address of the age. So we got the address. Problem solved, right? No, I don't think so, because not all the time we have to be writing this ampersand age, because there will be 1000 different variables that we should be able to operate with. That's why there is a concept called pointers. So knowing address doesn't give you a power, but going there is different. That's what pointers does. How to denote this? We use the star. So how to denote this? For example, this is there. After this, int star pointer. Next, we are storing what? Ampersand age. So if this is us saying, okay computer, this is the pointer that we are denoting. To represent that, we are using star. So if we just ask for this pointer holds what? 1000. This pointer holds what? 1000, because ampersand of age is what? 1000. The address becomes the value of a pointer. Pointer's value is what? Pointer's value is address of the another variable. Pointer itself is a variable, but it is holding what? It is holding the address of another variable as a value. Why? Imagine now, if we want to retrieve this, if we ask this will be like 25. What is there in this address? Next question is, what is there in this address? Who is staying? Age is staying. The value is 25. Simple. I'll simplify this. Imagine you want to go to your friend. First you want what? You want their address. After knowing address, what you do? You go to their place. That is exactly what does pointer do. You retrieve, you directly meet the friend. you directly meet the friend, right? So this is the overall things that I wanted to discuss today. But does this solve all the problem for us? No, it is just storing the addresses. Are we able to connect everything? Are we able to move from one to another? Are we able to know the relationship between the data or information? No, we are not able to. So this is something that I want to explain in our next video. If you have not checked any other previous videos, please go ahead and check and give it a like and subscribe. Thank you. Keep supporting.